Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of constantly worrying about your kids' whereabouts and safety? Well, I've got some great news for you. The Garmin Bounce is here to change that. This smartwatch is designed specifically for kids, and it's a total game changer. With the Garmin Bounce, you can send messages and track your kids' location, giving you peace of mind while encouraging them to lead an active lifestyle. The watch itself is super durable, with a bright color touchscreen display that's also swim-friendly, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged if your kid decides to take a spontaneous dip in the pool. The battery life is also impressive, lasting up to 2 days between charges, although that does depend on how much your kid uses the connected features. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The features are just that good. For instance, the real-time location tracking lets you check in on your kids' whereabouts through the Garmin Junior app, and you can even set up boundaries and receive notifications when your kid enters or leaves those areas. The assistance feature is also a great addition, allowing your kid to quickly send a message with their live location to family contacts, giving you that extra layer of peace of mind. In everyday use, this means you can let your kid play outside with their friends without worrying about their safety, or drop them off at school and still know exactly where they are. Overall, the Garmin Bounce is a fantastic product that's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a kid-friendly smartwatch that's both fun and functional. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.